Model, 2015 Vauxhall VIVARO 9-seater factory-fitted minibus needs turbo-only bargain. Body, grey, minibus. Mileage, 381,279. MOT, the 20th of September 2024. Engine, 1598 cc 1.6115 PSE5. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, start and runs but the turbo needs replacing. The engine, clutch and gearbox are fine. Just needs simple turbo replacement and you'll have a nice well-maintained factory-fitted minibus. Grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear seating area is very clean. Well looked after minibus. Features, 1 former keeper, part service history, cruise control, air-con, electric windows. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call